Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as the Jennifer Monique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Today is May 12th, Sunday May 12th. It is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. So really hope today is just a blessed day, that you feel with so much love, joy, and peace no matter when you're watching this video. Still praying all that for you. We did just get in an Amazon package, y'all. If you hear like some noise, I have my Cricut going on in the background, making some shirts for our family trip. So to Disney World. So I need to stop saying so. I have like 100, I think when I count, like 108 shirts to make. Yo, it's a lot of shirts. So I've been on that grind. That's what I've been doing in my spare time, is making shirts. My goal is to have them all finished by June and just be done, because woo, I don't want to be doing shirts every day on my off day. Not me. So that's what you'll hear in the background. Now I did just get some packages from Amazon in. I ordered this book bag here. I wanted a new book bag for work. I carry like my headphones in there. What's I carry? Usually my wallet and then like stuff like that. So I thought this one's really cute. They did have like a faux leather one, but it was gonna be here to June. I'm like, I got time for that. So I ended up ordering this. I have another one like this. It's two-tone. If I remember, I put a picture up here. I just feel like this is more classier because it has like the gold trimming on there. So I just feel like this is more cute, more classy. I can wear it when I have on my blazers as well. So it does have the front zipper here, which I'll probably always, in the one I have now, I usually have my keys and my AirPods in there. And then in here, it has this second one. In this part, I usually just have my pens, my pencils. Oh, I might put my keys in here, but anyway, in there, whatever I want, because it does have pockets on the inside and on this side too. It has this compartment, just like my other one here. So if you carry a laptop, you could fit it in here. I don't carry a laptop, so I usually just have like my notebook in here, and then my headphones, and then sometimes I put my Stanley cup in there because in the morning time I'm drinking coffee. So that's why I have it in there, so I don't have to carry it. And then it has another zipper on the inside. Then it has another compartment here. So has a lot of space, and then of course it has the side pocket here where you could put your phone in there, just in case you don't want to put your phone on the side pocket. So that's the bag. I thought it was really cute. I'll leave the link down below if you want to look at it. And it came with a duster bag, which is, I thought it was cute, but I probably won't use the duster bag. That, and then the other box is nothing fun. It's just some more vinyl I picked up. This is the white vinyl. So the heat transfer vinyl in white. I ordered 2 of these. I've been using this brand here, the HTV. I don't know what brand is this. It just says heat transfer. But I'll leave it down below. I like this one. I've ordered the black and the red. And it's a whole roll, and they give you the weeder tool too as well for each roll. So by the end, I'm gonna have a lot of those. But I ordered 2 of these. I actually need to place another order for another roll of black. So far I've ordered 2 blacks, 1 red, and 2 white. So I'm gonna go ahead and order 2 more blacks, 2 reds, and then I shouldn't need any more vinyl. But I like this brand. It is cool. Like when you heat press it, you do have to wait like 20 seconds before you peel it off, and then that's good. The next thing I bought was this board folder. I used to board fold your shirts. I used to work in a clothing store like years ago called The Limited, and I had learned how to board fold without even using this. But honestly, that takes me a little bit more time. So with all these shirts, I need them to fit in a box. This piece right here is out. I hope it just pops back in. I want to board fold the shirts. This is not a necessary purchase. It was definitely because I just wanted it. So I board fold the shirts so they can fit better in the box. For some reason, one of the pieces is rubber, half fell out, but anyway. Here it is. Do I know how to open this up? There it is. So this is what it looks like. It has the directions down here. Well, was down there. Basically, you just fold it up. It's nothing complicated. Fold the shirt in, fold the shirt in, and fold it up. Something like that. Actually, I don't think that's how it looks. I think I just lied. Oh yeah, that is it. You just flip it up, flip the sides. So it's made by the Box Legend. I thought this was really cute. Even though you won't, it's not necessary, but how they got their logo. Can you see that? That's fancy. The little lion logo. And this is the back. Oops, this is the back. So, board fold some shirts. Once I read how to do this again. But anyway, that's what came in the mail today through Amazon. I feel like I've been getting a lot of Amazon packages. I've been trying to only place one order for Amazon a week. So, it just prevents me having to check the mail all the time. Or with me not being, you know, traveling, whatever, for work some days. It prevents like a package just being on the floor. So I just try to control it. So when I order something that it comes on the day that I'm off work and I'm going to be at home, so I won't sit on the porch. Not saying that we have porch thieves or anything, but you just never know. Anyway, y'all. So I've been playing my vinyl record player here. I love it. But my father had a whole bunch of those, like the real vinyl, oh, these are real too, but vinyl records. And so I just happened to go through them. Yo, I found this one. The Temptation Reunion. Yo, this is, I can't even tell you what year this actually came out. But this is like one of the original ones. My dad had a lot of vinyl records. Some of them was not even open, y'all. But it's so funny to me. Like, I want to know this. Featuring Barry White, hit single Any Fool Could See You Where, what? Any Fool Could See You, You Were Meant For Me. This thing is dated 1979, y'all. 1979. I wasn't even born. So I've been just like chilling, listening to vinyl records or whatever while I get dressed, not get dressed, but be in the morning time. Because in the morning time I usually don't listen to anything. But the past like 2 days, I've been listening to just vinyl records. Turn it on while I'm cooking breakfast and doing all this stuff. So that's what I'm ready to do. I'm about to go ahead and do that. Listen to Little Temptations. I haven't listened to this one before, but I'm gonna listen to it today while I cook some breakfast or something.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. Feels like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow
Well, my battery about to die. We don't know, but we keep it moving. But anywho, I'm just getting off work. If you hear a lot of noise, Buddy back there doing what Buddy does. But anywho, I just got a box in. Well, I'm lying, I ain't just getting it. I got it in maybe 2 days ago from ULTA. So you know, if you know how me and ULTA go, you know how me and ULTA go. If not, you're gonna have to go watch that vlog. So I eventually went back into ULTA, and I didn't really go in. Yeah, I did. I didn't do my pickup. I went in there, but it wasn't, I still didn't get no assistance. But didn't nobody follow me around the store either, so whatever. We'll go with it. So the first thing I picked up was this Fenty Beauty Match Stick. It is the matte contour skin stick, and I got it in the color Espresso. I just thought that it would be really, really cute for, not cute, but more like for my contour. I'm trying to get into more cream contours because currently right now I do liquid. Then the next thing I picked up, which I have used, I'm not even gonna lie to you, is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So I'm using it. I usually use like my e.l.f. What is it? Not e.l.f. Is it e.l.f.? Yeah, the e.l.f. primer in the pink. But so I've been mixing it with the pink. But what I'll do with, girl, that had nothing to do with nothing. But that's for something else. But with this one, once I put my concealer on and I let it set before I blend it out, I use the MAC Prep and Prime, and girl, made my concealer look so much better. Okay, so much better. Like, I don't know, I found it on TikTok. A girl recommended it, and I was like, I'll try it, because I'm trying to elevate my makeup game. Like, I'm getting back into it, and if I clean my brushes more often, it'd probably be better, but you know, whatever. The next thing I picked up, I usually use the pink one, but this one I decided to use the green one, which is the Power Grip Primer Clear by e.l.f. e.l.f. is that girl when it comes to this primer. As long as you just pat it on your face, let it sit for 30 seconds, it's that girl. I usually use the pink one. I think her, what's her name? Face Over Matter. Was it Face Over Matter? And I don't know who I was watching, but anyway, I seen them with this and I was like, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. So I picked it up. Now I did see Face Over Matter use, I think it was this one, this e.l.f. primer, but she also actually put that on. She went in with the MAC Studio Rated Moisturizing and Illuminated Silk Primer. So I picked this up. So I'm gonna see if two primers gonna work, because I be wearing my makeup, like when I have to go to work, I put my makeup on about 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't take it off until like 8, 9 o'clock at night when I'm getting ready to shower. So I have my makeup on all day, and I need my makeup to stay. So I went ahead, I'm gonna go try it and see. I'm gonna report back to you guys how it goes, if I even notice a difference. The next thing I picked up was just a putty bronzer brush made by e.l.f. I don't have an actual bronzer brush. I don't know what happened to it. I used to, I'm lying, I do have one, but I use it so like it's just like this thick one, and so I wanted to try something different. So I want to try something a little smaller because my face ain't that big, and I feel like when I use the big one, it like smudges my face. So I feel like if I got a smaller bronzer brush that I could use, then I can control it more. All right, the last thing I picked up was going to be this Juvia's Place bronzer in deep dark, excuse me. Every time I went to ULTA, they always had this sold out. So I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna order it from the website because they had them in stock. Like, I've tried to order this, I want to say, I don't know if it was during Christmas time or when it was, but it was sold out online and the stores didn't have it. So I'm like, well, if they did have it, it was open. So I'm like, I'm not even about to do this. So I went ahead and ordered it. Cause if you know, like I know, Juvia's Place is that girl. Her stuff is pigmented, and she got colors for the dark skin girls. Okay, got colors for the dark skin girls. So that's what I picked up from ULTA, and then ULTA gave me this sampler kit, because I think if you spent over $75, I don't remember, you spent over some amount, and they gave you like a gift or something, a little sampler pack. So in this sampler pack, it is, let's see, what is this? NYX medium coverage concealer, then a sample of the Fenty Girl, which, you know, I already used this foundation, the Urban Decay 24-hour hydration, then another Too Faced Born This Way. It says medium to full coverage foundation, which is good, I never used theirs. Bare Mineral sample, as well as, who's this? Oh, Anastasia foundation, some Tarte concealer, Lancome foundation wear, and also Estee Lauder. So it's like a lot of good samples in there. So they end up having like all the colors too as well. So which is good because I actually have not tried like the Lancome and the Tarte foundation. I hear they're really, really good. So I can't wait to try those. But I already used the FENTY Rihanna's foundation. She that girl. But it is full coverage. Full coverage. Y'all was gonna throw the box away? I found this at the bottom. I also picked up another, I've actually used this one right here, the Halo Glow Liquid Filler Glow Booster for Radiant Skin Foundation. Y'all, I got it in shade 8 Rich. Love it. For everyday wear. It's so lightweight. I wear it to work because I don't, you know, have makeup on so long. I've been wearing it to work because it's so lightweight. It's like an everyday foundation. Everyday foundation that you could wear. Or, you know, if you don't want to have on like heavy foundation, this right here can give you that nice glow, girl. This is my second bottle. Second bottle. Didn't I tell y'all Elf was that girl? Hey y'all. So I'm currently on lunch break. It is, what time is it, y'all? Like 11:25. We gotta be back at 12:25. So while in training, we have 1 hour lunches, so which is amazing. But y'all, it don't take me that long to eat. So what I think I'm going to do is clean my office. It looks a mess. I have been, as you guys know, making shirts for Disney. So I have like 100 some shirts. Y'all, I'm on the home stretch. The home stretch. So I need to go ahead and finish those shirts up. And once I finish those shirts up, I'll be able to take the tables out of here and get my office back right. But for right now, I need to clean it up because all this stuff all over here is driving me up the wall. Like on camera, I have to make sure I have like the scenic covered because everybody see these. Even though behind me they wouldn't see too much, but still, y'all, it looks a mess and bloody stuff everywhere. So let's get to it.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work for you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug.